Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the essentials: a powered Me network, a wireless access point, and at least one wireless terminal. Place the access point next to a Me controller so it can bridge wireless signals into your wired AE2 system. Once done, confirm the Me network has power and available channels. This ensures the access point can register devices. Make sure the wireless terminal has a channel free, and that crafting terminals or storage cells are accessible so the terminal can query inventory. Next, pair the terminal. Right-click the access point with your wireless terminal in hand to begin binding. You'll see a pairing animation or message when successful. That tells you the access point recognized the device. If it doesn't pair, check the access point's channel and any encryption or security modules. These block unknown terminals. Also note range limits. If the access point is too far from your controller, move it closer. Once paired, open the terminal to confirm access to Me inventory. Finally, verify full functionality. Pull items, submit crafting jobs, and confirm auto-crafting requests work through the wireless terminal. If something breaks, restart the Me network and power, then recheck the access point placement and channels. Often a simple power hiccup or channel conflict stops communication. If access is limited, inspect security module settings and storage cell permissions. When items appear missing, validate that storage cells are mounted and that the terminal isn't locked to a specific view or mode before retrying.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.